bikin breakfast sama Mami ya. Oh, nice. Peanut butter. Thank you. Wow, beautiful food. It's peanut butter and black. And this is milk. Chocolate milk. Mama tapi gak boleh keluar dulu. Tunggu Emma ngomong keluar baru keluar, oke? Udah breakfast ya?